So this week we talk about how to measure the progress on the target behavior we set. Measurement is the process of applying quantitative labels to observed properties of events using a standard set of rules. Scientists use measurement to operationalize empiricism. Applied behavior analysis measure behavior to answer questions about the existence and nature of functional relations between socially significant behavior and environmental variables. Practitioners use measurement to evaluate the effectiveness of interventions and to guide decisions regarding treatment. So there are three-dimensional qualities of behavior: repeatability, temporal extent, and temporal locus. Measures of repeatability include count, rate or frequency, and acceleration. Duration is used to measure temporal extent. Measures of temporal locus include response latency, and inter-response time. Derivative measures that combine two forms of data are frequently used in applied behavior analysis, including percentage and prior to criterion. Topography and magnitude provide useful information about behavior parameters, though they are not fundamental dimensional qualities. Procedures for measuring behavior involved one or more of event recording, timing, and various time sampling methods. Event recording encompasses a variety of procedures for detecting and recording the number of times a behavior is observed. Timing procedures use different timing devices, for example, stopwatch, and procedures to measure duration, response latency, and inter-response time. Time sampling refers to a variety of methods for observing and recording behavior during intervals or at specific moments in time. Time sampling procedures include whole interval, which is to measure continuous behavior within an interval, partial recording, which is to see if behavior occurred at any time during interval, and momentary time sampling. So in these methods, the researcher will record whether the behavior is occurring at the end of the interval. Certain behavior can also be measured after it has occurred using permanent products. Permanent product is easy. It's like a checking on homework. Computer-assisted measurement has become more sophisticated and easy to use, allowing practitioners to simultaneously record multiple behaviors. Each of the data collection methods we covered will has benefits and will produce its own artifacts due to the way it measures behaviors. Therefore, measurement methods must be carefully matched to the environment variables, available resources, and the behavior of interest. Now we are going to watch a short YouTube video that summarizes the useful data collection methods. I found this video clip from YouTube, and I think that this video clip is very useful, but the background music is very annoying, so please ignore that background music. If you're a student who is pursuing the BCBA certificate, you must remember these core concepts from this week's learning. Bye!